All right, this bracket is from a cadet 0-turn. That's what holds the mower deck, helps it raise and lowers it. And see, this side's broke off. Someone tried to attempt to weld in it. And then this side's pretty well it's about to, you see the weld's busted off. So I'm going to grind on it, and I'm going to re-weld it. So, alright, I got my face shield on. I'm going to grind on this. I know I'm not done, but I'm just checking it. I'm going to make sure it's just right. My battery went dead. Alright, I know it's dark right now, which I have a welding helmet set up so you can see what I'm actually seeing while I weld. Give you a kind of idea what I do. Alright, I'm going to get started. Alright, I'm going to have to flip it over and do it. I had to go a little bit wider to cover up some of the other weld that was from someone else. Alright, I'm going to do a little more welding to give you just a little more view of what I'm doing. Alright, as you see, this is what I welded. I'm going to do some welding without the helmet to show you, well, obviously you don't get to see as much when I do weld, if I don't put the helmet in front of there. And yes, you should be wearing gloves because this is very hot. Which where I was grabbing at wasn't hot yet, but it will be. And welding gloves, welding vest would be very strongly suggested. Alright, tack weld this one in place. missed a spot. And there it is. Now, obviously, when you weld downward, you want to start here and work up, never down. Then you can hold your metal in place, sort of weld better. So, I'm going to have to do some more welding. I'm going to have to do the other side of this side, and then this side of this one. And that should be, that'll work pretty good. I'll give you guys a close-up. It's not the prettiest. The metal isn't the greatest. I couldn't really grind very well. It'll hold. I see it was penetrating into it, which you can see this side. It ain't the greatest, which right here wasn't my weld yet, but I will get it fixed, and I will weld over top of it, make it work, and it will stay, because I'm going to weld both sides all the way around, and what little weight's there that holds it up place. The deck isn't very heavy. You'd be lucky it's 75 pounds, maybe 100. Don't matter. It'll stay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I decided I'm going to do a little more welding for you. There it is. There's a little bit better one. Now when you're welding, you want to watch. You'll see your metal melting in to your weld. That's what you want to see. Then you know you got a good penetration where it's going to hold. If you don't see that, then obviously you need to turn up your heat. So there's a lot of spark because, like I said, the metal isn't very well cleaned. It's a little on the rusty side. So there it is. There, I finished it up. So I'll weld it in now. It's not the greatest, but you know what? It'll work. I know it will. Oh yeah, this is the welding helmet you were looking through. The way I was doing it is I had it held through my handle, zip tied, holding up, and it was leaning against the light when I was welding. So that was the only way I could do it to make everything work, so you can see me welding. If I had someone here to help me, I would have had them doing it, but you know, I made everything work. Zip tie goes a long ways for me when I'm all by myself. But I think I'm happy for the video I seen on there, just rewatching it. I try to get the best videos so you guys can see what you're looking at. I think it's pretty interesting to see, you know, someone welding that glare's not blinding you. You can actually see what they're seeing almost. But that's it.